Hello, Namaskar everyone, and welcome to Housey. My name is Rutika, and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Gera Joy on the treetop of Hinjewadi, which is located near Hinjewadi Phase 3, Hinjewadi, Pune, and developed by Gera Developers. And in this video we'll be discussing about Willow Point's wedges, project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. But before letting you the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Gera Joy on the treetop will be constructed on 10.7 acres of land parcel consisting of 7 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus 3, podium plus 33 floors, having 2 BHK, 2 BHK duplex, 3 BHK, 3 BHK duplex premium residences. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे बैक हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मिल जाएगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर मेगापोलिस सर्कल, हिंजेवाड़ी फेज 3, हिंजेवाड़ी, पुणे. और जो रोड जाते हुए आप देख रहे हैं मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है MIDC रोड से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है मेट्रो सुपर मॉल विद इन 1.1 किलोमीटर, मान रोड विद इन 1.3 किलोमीटर एंड TCS सर्कल विद इन 1.7 किलोमीटर. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like go-karting, kids play area, senior sit-out area, gymnasium, clubhouse, swimming pool, jogging track and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Gera Joy on the treetop has 2 BHK, 2 BHK duplex, 3 BHK, 3 BHK duplex premium residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 753 to 855 square feet and 2 BHK duplex with 898 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 10112 to 1237 square feet and 3 BHK duplex with 1218 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Gera Joy on the treetop of Hinjewadi, which is located near Hinjewadi Phase 3, Hinjewadi, Pune and developed by Gera Developers. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.